100 Maxims of Chanakya, covering various aspects of life, governance, ethics, human nature, wealth, and wisdom. Maxims on life, wisdom, and knowledge. 1. A person should not be too honest. Straight trees are cut first and honest people are screwed first. 2. Before starting any work, ask yourself 3 questions. Why am I doing it? What might the results be? Will I be successful? 3. Time perfects all living beings, just as a smith shapes raw metal into fine ornaments. 4. The fragrance of flowers does not travel against the wind, but the virtue of a person spreads in all directions. 5. Knowledge is lost without putting it into practice. A man is lost due to ignorance, an army is lost without a commander, and a woman is lost without a husband. 6. As a single tree laden with fragrant flowers spreads its scent throughout the forest, so a single wise son brings glory to the whole family. 7. A fool cannot be educated, just as a stone cannot absorb water. 8. Time is the most powerful of all. It can bring success and destroy everything else. 9. Wealth is like a guest. It stays where it is cared for. 10. There is some self-interest behind every friendship. There is no friendship without self-interests. 11. He who is overly attached to his family members experiences fear and sorrow. The root of all grief is attachment. Thus, one should discard attachment to be happy. 12. Education is the best friend. An educated person is respected everywhere. 13. When a person is not able to solve a problem, he should seek the guidance of wise men. 14. It is better to be alone than in bad company. 15. Time is a great healer, but a great man is a better one. 16. True happiness comes from within, not from material wealth. 17. A man is great by his deeds, not by his birth. 18. A true friend is one who remains loyal during times of misfortune. 19. The world is the great teacher, but only those who seek wisdom can learn from it. 20. A good friend is the one who helps you in need, a bad one is the one who pulls you into trouble. Maxims on leadership, governance, and power. 21. The king shall lose no time when the opportunity waits. 22. He who is overly kind will be exploited by others. A king must balance kindness with authority. 23. The ruler who is lax in controlling his ministers invites destruction. 24. A king should not share all his secrets with his ministers. Ministers may turn against him when circumstances change. 25. A ruler must be feared, for love alone does not sustain power. 26. A king must trust no one blindly, even his closest allies. 27. The loss of power is worse than death for a ruler. 28. Governance without punishment is like a king without arms. No one will obey him. 29. A ruler should strike like a cobra when the time is right. 30. An enemy should not be underestimated, even if he appears weak. 31. A king should balance between love and fear to remain respected. 32. A king must be like a fire. He should not allow anyone to come too close, lest he be extinguished. 33. An army of wise men is better than a large army of the foolish. 34. A king who follows his advisers blindly will bring ruin to his kingdom. 35. A wise ruler knows how to maintain his rule through strategy, not just force. 36. A ruler should consult many ministers and advisers before making a decision. 37. The king should not be afraid of losing his throne, he should be more afraid of losing his integrity. 38. A person who is always afraid of conflict will never achieve success. 39. A great ruler does not seek to control every individual but focuses on maintaining the integrity of the state. 40. A ruler must strike with precision, like a snake waiting to strike its prey. Maxims on friendship and enemies. 41. A friend who is a coward will bring defeat to you. 42. Just as an elephant is recognized by its gait, a wise man is recognized by his words. 43. The one who strikes first has the advantage in war and politics. 44. Test your friends in difficulty, your relatives in conflict, your servants in misfortune, and your wife in ruin. 45. Even if a snake is not venomous, it should pretend to be venomous. 46. One should not trust an enemy, even if he has no strength. 47. Keep your friends close, and your enemies closer. 48. An enemy's son can become a friend, and a friend's son can become an enemy. Time can change everything. 49. A man who has many friends is a fool. It is better to have one true friend than many false ones. 50. Do not trust a friend who speaks ill of others in front of you. Maxims on wealth and prosperity. 51. Wealth should be earned by fair means, spent wisely, and protected fiercely. 52. So fool and his wealth are soon parted. 53. Even the gods abandon a person who is lazy and does not strive for prosperity. 54. Money, like a guest, stays only where it is welcomed and well cared for. 55. One should always save for times of crisis, just as an ant stores food for the winter. 56. Do not trust a rich man without morals, nor a poor man without ambition. 57. A person who does not understand the value of wealth will lose it sooner than he realizes. 58. No one respects a poor man, even if he is virtuous. 59. Wealth, if not guarded like a lover, leaves without warning. 60. The root of happiness is dharma, righteousness, the root of dharma is artha, wealth, and the root of wealth is good governance. Maxims on ethics and morality. 61. The one who remains calm in adversity emerges victorious in the end. 62. Do not insult a learned man, a brave warrior, or a virtuous woman. 63. Lust, anger, and greed are the three gates to destruction. 64. A person's true character is revealed in times of adversity. 65. A wise man controls his desires, the fool is controlled by them. 66. A fool is someone who cannot control his desires. 67. No man can live without ethical principles. 68. A person is born of his karma, and karma is the sum of his actions. 69. He who is selfless and pure in character will be loved by all. 70. A house without discipline will fall apart. Maxims on women and family. 71. A virtuous wife brings prosperity, but an unfaithful wife destroys a household. 72. A wise woman holds the family together, while a foolish one tears it apart. 73. A good wife should be like a minister in politics, a servant in duty, a mother in care, and a goddess in love. 74. A home without a mother is like a barren land without crops. 75. A woman's heart is her most powerful weapon. 76. A man who does not respect his parents, wife, or children will never find peace. 77. Even the most intelligent man cannot escape the consequences of his wrongdoings. 78. Just as a tree can't stand without roots, a family cannot stand without mutual respect. 79. A wife should be as dear as life itself to a man. 80. There is no greater blessing than a loving family. Maxims on human behavior and relationships. 81. He who is greedy for more wealth will end up losing all he has. 82. A person who does not understand the value of his own life will lose it. 83. Trust is the foundation of all relationships, and once broken, it can never be repaired. 84. The world is full of fools, you must avoid them, but still learn from them. 85. The wise person is never afraid of change, he knows that change is a natural part of life. 86. It is better to be respected than to be loved. 87. A bad habit can never be removed until you work hard to change it. 88. Those who are driven by passion will eventually find themselves in trouble. 89. Patience and tolerance are two of the most important virtues to practice in life. 90. The greatest wealth is to live contentedly. Maxims on success and failure. 91. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. 92. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. 93. The greatest success comes from the ability to persevere through challenges. 94. Success in life depends upon the foundation of good habits. 95. Do not fear failure, rather, fear not trying at all. 96. Success is achieved when a man is at peace with his own thoughts. 97. A man who is at peace with himself cannot be affected by the world. 98. Success comes to those who understand the power of self-discipline. 99. Do not focus only on results, but also on the process that leads to them. 100. A man who has conquered himself is the greatest conqueror. These 100 maxims provide insight into human nature, governance, wealth, success, and relationships. They reflect Chanakya's pragmatic and deep understanding of life and how to navigate it strategically.